Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In the step-by-step tutorial, we're going to show you how you can change the theme in the Opera web browser, be it on your PC or laptop really quickly. It is super simple guys, so with that in mind, drop a like and now let us get started. Open the Opera web browser, be it on your PC or laptop. And what you want to do guys here on your home screen is simply click on that O icon in the very top left corner, customize and control Opera, and select settings from that drop-down menu. Or alternatively, you may access your browser settings by using the shortcut Alt-P on your keyboard. So inside your settings, guys, you will see themes, the themes section here right at the top. So what you want to do is scroll down a little bit till you get to the mode feature here. And here to the right, you will see that arrow down icon. So click on it to gain access to that drop-down menu. Now from that drop-down menu, simply select your preferred theme like system, light or dark. And that's all to it, guys. These changes will be saved automatically and will be applied instantaneously. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video and we'll see you next time on our channel.